Learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do the part 1 of the new topic that is called the vector algebra. For this one we are going to do the past year questions over here. So here, look at this question over here. The magnitude of the vector 6i minus 2j plus 3k is, so what is this denoted as? This is called as the unit vector. So what is it? We have to find the magnitude of it. So now let us consider this small a as the 6i minus 2j plus 3k. Here, hence we can say the magnitude of a can be this written as. So now see here, we can just write here capital A this one, and this is we have to write over here. So the formula is x square plus y square plus root of x square plus y square plus z square. So now what we can see, this is x, y and this one. So this we have to take the square of 6 plus minus 2. See, along with the sign, minus 2 square plus 3 square. So now this will be the root of 36. This is going to be, because here this is an even number. Even number means even wherever we have the negative sign, this even number means always it is going to be positive. So this is plus 4 and this is 9. So when you add this one, this is root of 49. So this magnitude of this one, the vector, that is called as, the answer is 7. That's they ask the magnitude of the vector. That is, the answer is 7. So the root of 49 is 7. So now look at this one. The unit vector along the vector 4i minus 3k is. So now what you will write here? Given means 4i minus 3k. So unit vector is, this is, we have to write this way, 4i minus 3k, that divided by this one 4 square plus this will be 3 square. So now what will you write here? 4i minus 3k. So 4 square is going to be 16 plus 9 root of this one. So keep the numerator as it is. So when you add this is going to be root of 25. So again the numerator same, root of 25 is 5. So now what are you going to do? You are going to split this one. This divided by this, that will be 4i divided by 5. Sign is minus. Again now you will look for this one, 3k divided by 5. So now you can see the denominator is the same. So we can take 1 by 5. See here in the numerator there is 1. So we will take 1 by 5 common. For both of them the denominator is the same. And so what remains here is 4i minus 3k. So this is the answer. So now it's given over here the area of a triangle formed by vertices O, A and B, where OA is I plus 2j plus 3k and OB is minus 3i minus 2j plus k. So this one. So now let us see here. OA is given there. Let us write this one. OB, the same thing we will write over here. So now we will take OA into OB. So that is, we are going to multiply this one. So ijk, let us write this one. So now here you can see the coefficient of this is 1, this 2 and this is as 3. For OB this is minus 3, minus 2 and this is nothing, means there is 1 over here. So now you know this, let us take this I. So now what are you going to do? This you are going to multiply. So that will be see A, B, C, D. So that is going to be AD minus BC, AD minus BC. You have seen in matrices also how to do it. So now this will be AD is, that is 2 minus, and this will be minus 6. So now you will take here, this should be minus over here. Remember this should be minus, then you will take this one. So now you are going to multiply this and this, this and this. So that is going to be, first thing 1 minus, then this will be minus 3 into 3, that is going to be minus 9. And then you will take this scale. So this is going to be multiplied over here. So now what you will take? First you will take this one, AD. So it will be minus 2, minus of this will be minus 6. So now let us take this I. So here minus minus becomes plus. Rest all the same here. Minus minus becomes plus, so plus 9. This is going to be the same. Minus minus becomes plus. So now what will you write? I, and this will be 8 minus j. This is going to be 10 plus k, and this is going to be minus 2 plus that is going to be 4. So now what will you do? You will multiply 8i minus 10j and this will be plus 4k. So now you will take here again here, what are you going to do? You will multiply this one OA into AB, that is root of A square plus B square plus C square. So now this will consider this A, this as B and this as C. So root of this one 8 square plus this is going to be minus B is going to be minus 10 square, and this is going to be 4 square. So now this is going to be 64 plus this minus 10 square, that is 100, and this is 16. So you will get here 180. So now see here 180, when you take the factors of 180, so what do we get over here? 290s are, 245s are, 315s are, and here will be 3 5s are and 5 1s are. So now what we have to see, because now you will take these numbers. So here you are going to write only 2 because because we want the square root. So we can make a group of 2, here 2, and this is alone, that is this has, so this will go in the root. So what will happen here? This is 3. So 2 3s are 6. So you are going to write here 6 root of 5, because this is alone, you will write in the root, and these are the pairs. So you are going to make a 2 because this is the square root of it. So hope you got it. So that will be 6 root 5. So now what did they ask here? They asked the area of the triangle. So the area of the triangle, this is OAB, that is the formula is half into OA into OB. So you know that now half OA into OB, what did you get here? This you got it 6 root 5. So you will write here 6 root 5. So 2 1s are, 2 3s are. So answer is 3 root 5 square units. Writing the square units is very important. Otherwise the half mark will be deducted. So now the next one, find the value of P for which the vectors 3i plus 2j plus 9k and I minus 2pj plus 3k are parallel. So now these are given. So we'll write a given this one, and these are parallel. So now what we have, whenever they are parallel, means we have the rule, that is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So this you have to remember. So what is this one? This will be a1, b1, c1, a2, b2 and c2. So now you look at the coefficients. Now here 3 by, here nothing means it is going to be 1. So you are going to write 3 by 1. Now look at here plus 2 and this is minus 2. So this will be minus 2p because this is the j. So minus 2. Now here you will write here plus 9 and plus 3. So you will write here 9 divided by 3. So now let us take this 2 together. So now what will you do? 3 divided by 1 is equal to 2 divided by minus 2p. So you will do this way. So what happens here? 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So now when you just write here 3 by 1 is equal to, so what remains is here minus 1 by 2. So now we'll cross multiply this one. So that will be 3p is going to be minus 1. So p is going to be minus 1 by, this is multiplication, so this is going to get divided. That is what they have asked, the value of p. So we got the value of this p. So now the next one, if a is xi plus 2j minus 2k and b is 3i minus yj plus k are two equal vectors. See, they are equal vectors. Then write the value of x plus y plus z. So since they have said equal vectors, that means this a is going to be equal to, vector a is going to be equal to vector b. This step is very important. So now in place of this a, you are going to write this whole thing. So this is written over here. And in place of b, you are going to write this one. So now what will you do when you equate both the sides? So what will you get here? Because they said that is equal. That means now look at the coefficients over here. So this I means here. So now this is equal to this. So x is equal to 3. When you compare this and this, that is going to be, see here, this is 2 and this is equal to minus y. So you can write here y is equal to minus 2. Hope you got this one. So y is equal to minus 2. And when you compare this and this, there will be here coefficient is going to be 1. So minus z is equal to 1. So z is going to be minus 1. So now we want the value of x, y, z. We got the values this. So we have to just add together. So this 3 will be here. Minus 2 is going to be here. And minus 1 is going to be here. So 3 minus 2 minus 1. Minus 2 minus 1 is going to be minus 3. So 3 minus 3, that is going to be 0. So by this one we have completed our learnings. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do this part 2 of the vector algebra, the past equations of this one. So here, a unit vector along PQ, where coordinates of P and Q respectively are 2, 1, -1 and 4, 4 and -7. So is given here. So we have to find, given here, we have this is, we have to find a unit, this one, the PQ. Okay, so now the given points are P, 2, 1 and -1, and this is 4, 4 and -7. So to find out this PQ, what we will do here, so we can just write as this one, 4 -2, and this we can write as I. This is a unit vector, then 4 -1, and then you can write here J, this unit is -7. Minus of minus means this is going to be +1. So this is going to be 2, this is going to be 3, and this is going to be -6. So that will be IJK. So now the unit vector along PQ will be, this will be here, you will write here, this one, that is PQ divided by this we can say the modulus of PQ. So here, now what do we have here PQ? You have, that is given over here. So same thing you will write here. And this, whenever you write this one, so that is a square plus b square plus c square, or root of a square plus b square plus c square. So now this is, we look at the coefficient, this is 2, means it is going to be a square, means this is a, b, c. So this is going to be 4. This 3 means, that is 3 square means 9. And this -6 square is going to be 36. So here, this you will write as, this is the same. This, when you add all this thing, you will write root of 49. So again, this is going to be what? Root of 49 is going to be 7. This is going to be the same. So now what you can do here, you can just separate it. You can write here 2/7i plus this one 3/7j, and this is -6/7k. So this is what they have asked. They have asked that. So this is the final answer. Now the next one is a position vector of the midpoint of the line segment A. This is given. If position vector of the point A is this, then position vector, we want the position vector of B. So now AB is given as this. So now see here that we can say the M be the midpoint of AB. So coordinates of M will, here it is going to be here. Here this will be 3, 2 and -3. And coordinates of A are 2, 3 and -4. And coordinates of B, we don't know what are there. So let us write the coordinates of B as x, y, z. So now you know, since M, this is what that is given, 3, 2 and -3 is a midpoint. So we can take here 3. So how will you do this one? Now see, now concentrate on this A and B. So how will you write this one? 2 plus x divided, because whenever we take the midpoint, we take x1 plus x2 divided by 2. So this will be, this is x1, this will be y1, and this will be z1, then this is x2, y2 and z2. So x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Hope you got this one. So here, when we take this midpoint here 2, so y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So this plus this divided by 2. And when you take this point -3, that will be z1 plus z2 divided by 2. So this is, so hope this is clear. So now we are just going to, this one, this you will take on this side, that is going to be 6, and this 2 plus x as it is. Again, this you will take on this side, means it is going to be 4, 3 plus y as it is. This will go here, means it is going to be -6. This will be as it is. So now let us take this like terms on one side, that 2 will go here, means that is going to be -2, that is x. Again here, let us take this one, that is y. If we take this on this side, that is going to be 4, that is z. So now this will be 4, this will going to be 1, that y is 1, and this is going to be -2. So we can say its position vector of point B that will be how we are going to write here. 4 means 4i plus this 1 means that is just j and minus 2k. So this is the answer for this one. The two vectors j plus k and this one are represent the two sides AB and AC represent that is respectively of triangle ABC. Find the length of the median to A. So now let us draw this one. This is a triangle. This is ABC. So here AB and AC are the two sides. So this one AB and this is the AC. And they said find the length of the median to A. So we are drawing the median to A. This is the A point. So we will draw the median over here. So let us put this point as D. So now let us look at this one triangle. In the given triangle, we have what is here given? That BC. What is that BC? Is AC minus AB, because why? That is the triangle law of vector addition. So now we have AC. AC is given here. See, when they said this is represent to two sides of AB and AC, these are there. So this will be AB and this is going to be AC. Hope this is clear. So now see, AC will put here and minus this and AB. So AB is this one. So J plus K. So now let us remove the brackets. This as it is. Minus J minus K. So minus J minus K. So when we take the like terms together, what we can see, this I is alone over here. J and J means minus 1, that is going to be minus 2. Plus 4 minus, this is 1 here. So that is going to be plus 3. So here what we can see now, so whatever this we got, this is BC. So AD is given the median. This AD is the median, right? So what we can do that, so we can say this for this AD. So can you see here this one, this triangle, let us consider that this BD is half of, see here, this BD. Whenever the median is given, this is given, that means this BD is half of what? This BC, because this both are going to be equal. So now we know this half of BC means we got BC as this one, isn't it? So we are going to make half of here. So that will be, when we expand this one, this will be 3 by 2i, and this is going to be minus 2 by minus 2j, and here plus 3 by 2k. So now this and this goes off. So 3 by 2i minus j plus 3 by 2k. So this we got as BD. So now what we'll see, because what they asked the length of median to A. So now we want, see now what we will do in triangle, we want, that is median means that we want this one, the length of AD. Now in triangle ABD, using triangle law of vector addition, we have, what is that AD? AD is AB plus BD. AD is, this AD is AB plus BD. So now we know that AB is this J plus K and BD is this one. So now let us take together. So that is going to be minus J plus J gets cancelled here. So here this will be just I is alone here. But now for K, when we see K, this one, now see, this is 1 and this is 3 by 2. 1 plus 3 by 2. So let us do that separately. The LCM is 2. So here this is going to be 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 by 2. So this is what I wrote here is 5 by 2. Hope you got this one. So now this one means we got, so what will be AD? So AD is going to be what? A square plus B square plus C square. So here we have A square, this one, this one has, this is A, we don't have B, but this is C, because I, J, K, we don't have any J over here, so we can take that J as 0, so 3 by 2 square plus 0 square, that plus 5 by 2 square. So this is going to be same, this as well as this, so 9 by 4 plus 0 doesn't make any sense over here, so this will be 25 by 4, so 25 by 4. So this, when we add this together, so that is going to be 34 by 4. So now you know this 4 is a perfect, so this will be root of 1 by 4 when the 4 is in the denominator, and that is going to be 1 by 2 because this 4 is a perfect square. So this 1 by 2, let us take out of the root, and this will be root of 34. So we can see the length of the median to A is 1 by 2 root 34 units. Now two vectors, these are given, and B are collinear. If so, the options I have not given for that one. This the given vectors are, this is A, this is B for collinear of vectors. So this is the rule. So if that is, we can say that they are collinear when A and B are A1 by B1 is equal to A2 by B2 is equal to A3 by B3. So the position vectors of 2 points are this one. The position vector of a point which divides the line segment joining A and B in the following ratio, that is 2:1, is we have to find out. So now look at here. These points are given now. Here, this OA is this and OB is this one. So what we can say, the point. So it will be 2, -1 and -1, because here is 1, here is 1. So this will be 2, -1 and -1, that is point A. And here what is that? 2. This is -1 and this is plus 2. So 2, -1 and plus 2. So now what did they say? How is the ratio? We divide the line segment AB. So suppose this is the line segment AB. So it is dividing in the ratio of 2:1. So here let us put one point P. So it is dividing in the point of this one, the ratio of 2:1. So we have the formula for this one, that is mx2 plus nx1 divided by n plus 1, and this my2 plus ny1 divided by n plus 1, nz2 plus nz1 divided by n plus 1. So now this is m and n. So now these are going to be x1, y1, z1, and these are going to be x2, y2, and z2. So you can just plug in the values. Now let's just see here. So you can see where is x2 and then put it according to the, I have given you these points, m1, m and n, x1, y1, z1, and according to that you have to just put the values over here. Okay, again I will repeat, this is m and n, this is x1, y1, z1, this is x2, y2, z2, and just look at this formula and plug in the values over here. So now I'll skip this step for that one. This will be 4, 2 divided by 3, then it will be -2, -1, and this is going to be 3, 4, -1, and this is going to be 3. So what is this going to be? 6 by 3, -3 by 3, and this is going to be 3 by 3. So this will be 2, this is going to be -1, and this is going to be 1. So what we get here, 2, -1 and 1. So we can write a position vector of P is 2, you can put your 2i, this is -1 means -j, and this is going to be plus. So this is the answer. So by this we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.